Right guys, what have we here? What have we here, Kai? It's a Dquad Obsession. Should we do a glide test?
Yeah, go on then.
Brick. It's got a little bit of weight to it, isn't it? It looks so sexy though, Kai. It looks so good, man. I love the wrap as well. Shame we've had to cover it up with ESCs.
Yeah, I think you get 4.
But the lit up ESCs make up for it, man, I must admit. It does look good. Nice. See how it flies, shall we? Yep. Holy smokes. Whoa. This is his second flight, the nutter. Way! Shit! Just missed them trees. Oh! You up? Yeah, don't blame ya. It's gonna come down hot. Bit of power. You're down, boy. Shizzle my nizzle, that was crazy. I'm not gonna lie, I saw a bit of smoke then. Not gonna lie, man, I saw a bit of smoke on the floor.
Really?
Careful, yeah, it come out from like the bottom of the battery though, it looked it. I pulled the battery straight out.
Oh, it could be, mate, yeah.
It was sitting on the floor.
Maybe it got very hot. I mean,
Maybe it was just hot and sitting on the cold floor and it was steam.
No, I don't know about that, mate.
What are we doing?
Mate, steaming.
Really?
Coming out now, yeah. Right.
Shit. Yeah.
I'm holding it and it's getting hotter and hotter by the second.
Fucking hell, it's gonna pop, Kai. Split out of its packet.
Yeah, exactly.
Shouldn't have thrown it there, man. Pull it forward a bit. In case it goes. Pull it forward out of there in case it goes, man.
Be alright over there.
Just grab the wire and pull it this way. Look.
It's all mud and shit.
I know, man, but it's just tucked up in there, isn't it? If we have to do something. Look. Whoosh! Mate.
Yeah, that's because it was full throttle.
Do you think that's going to go?
40 seconds.
Is that still expanding? Yeah. Look at it, it's course-atinaed, Kai.
Concertina. Concertina.
Play a tune.
Concertina. That sounds like an old fucking car, isn't it? Concertina.
Play a tune, man.
Oh, it's fucked. I think it's going to play its own one in a minute, mate. Bagpipe. It's going to be going...
Mate, what was that? 65?
65C 1300 graphing.
Really?
But bearing in mind, this thing's had a lot of fun over the years. Maybe
Is it an old battery?
With EDF, yeah.
Oh, okay, I'll let you off.
Year and a half of EDF.
Thought this was brand new battery. No.
It's in the wet water now, mate.
Oh, that's cool.
It's a nice wet day, but oh, damn, I was hoping it'd go straight in it.
Can't leave it there.
Parts of fucking ground.
Pick it up.
We've been nice boys over here so far.
Got to take it home with us, Kai.
A rat will reuse that, mate. See this little car go flying along later on.
We will get that back. Happy days.